To be fair, that is where we hang up.
Yeah,
I
I
revise. It's so warm.
Fair enough. It's actually nice.
I revise in there and then I test myself here.
Yeah. Brother.
What? Oh, bro. It's not even full. It can't print double-sided.
Eh?
Yeah.
I can do that, but ink's fucking expensive. It's an old printer, yeah. So it don't make the ink anymore.
Oh,
So it's
Tarek,
£100
you need to empty the fluff.
Yeah.
You empty.
Huh?
You empty.
Where do? Oh shit! Where's the other fucking? Has it only got one paddle? Oh no.
How the hell do fires work? Just.
They just blow hot air in there.
Oh.
How do they work, Mike? I want a lesson.
Alright.
Well, teach me.